Hey, it's David. And a lot of my friends ask me, what's the opening line for Match.com, which most of the girls always respond. I'll tell you. And today, from our online dating guide, we're going to tell you the secret on how all the girls respond back to you.
Perfect.
The best thing at the end of this video, we're going to give you 3 sentences that you can use right now to get the girls calling you back, texting you back, or whatever. We're going to try to go through the proper way of actually engaging with the woman. It's based on 5 factors, which are the most important. Number 1 is call her by her name or her nickname. Make it more personal. Second, keep the message short and simple. Number 3, you got to ask a question. If you don't ask a question, you can't expect an answer. Number 4 is spelling and grammar. You got to take care of that. They got spell check. Number 5, end the message with your name. This completes the whole personal circle. Now let's get to the 3 text examples. Number 1, a lot of girls write down their height in their profile. So you could use this as your first opening text. For instance, check this one out. Hey Emma, you as a 5'9" girl without heels can probably answer the following question. Is it harder for tall women to meet a suitable man? Number 2 example is assumptions. Women love assumptions. So if I see on the profile that she's like blonde or something, I'd say something like this. Hey Lindsay, let me guess, you're from Sweden and you're sightseeing in New York, or do you live here by now? And if it's a brown hair girl, I'll just exchange Sweden to Italy and we'll be good. The 3rd example is the obvious, okay? So for example, if the girl looks like Rihanna, you know that everybody's gonna say, ooh, I think you look like Rihanna, you know? You got to do one up. So what you got to do is say, let me guess, how many men already called you Rihanna? So I know that it won't always be obvious. You might not pick up that she looks like Rihanna. She might not be blonde, but those are just basic examples. But don't worry. We have a set of openers. Any profile, any girl, don't worry. We got you. You can download all the openers right here on our website right now. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We got more videos on advice on dating. Until next time, David, Premium Life. I'm out.